So we left last time on the creation of business object, right? So I had some roles and privileges to be given to my user, and then to enable some permission groups. I've done that. So now what we'll do is I'll quickly, though I've created one, I'll show you once again. Here is a business object that I just created, but I'll just create one for your knowledge sake as well. Selecting the family, the product, then let us have this monolith resource, and then we'll have path for the sales orders, get the sales order information, add field, let it pick up the field specification from the sales order API. Oh, by 1 second, I've selected. This should be monolith. Yep, right. So here it is. Get sales orders done. Then we'll have the field specification. Yesterday we selected order number, then we selected business unit name, then we selected status, and then we clicked on create, done, and create. So now this is the business object that I created. This business object that we created is to get the information related to the sales order whenever I am asking this information from my agent, right? So we can also, I can also put a deep link, or I can also put some topics, but then let's go directly onto tools. I'll show you a quick demo of this one first, and then probably in the coming videos we'll go on to the next things, right? So tool, as I told yesterday, tool is a base for your agents to work on. Like agent teams are the base for your agents to work on. So agent teams, agents, tools, then your topics, deep link, business object in the same in the same sequential manner, right? So we've created business object. I need to add this business object into my tool, and then attach my tool to the agent, and then agent to an agent team. Let's just say business object v uh, JS HCM. This is the tool name that I'm giving, right? Product and everything will come. You see these two columns empty. This will come as soon as I add my business object that I just created. This is the business object I created. I'll add this. You see my family and my product auto populated. Now my tool has gotten this information that okay, this is what the business object I have to work on, or probably will help the agent to get the details. I'll click on create. Oh, my description, this tool will help in getting the sales order information. Create a record with okay, let's just keep it as two. Let's just see if this happens. Gets created. Let me search. You see, though I was trying my hands on, so this is a deep link tool that I had created, a business object for my self-service procurement, then this business object for the order management product and HCM family I just created. Right, let's just go on to the agents. We will create an agent, though I might have, let me 1 second now. I might have an agent created before. I can add this to my agent as well. No, okay. Maybe this system or this instant got refreshed. Okay. Creating a new agent. JS underscore HCM family. Supply chain is order management. Let me, and this is the maximum interactions you can do with the agent. Probably we'll give it 10. This agent gives you, one second. No, no. This agent gives you information about the sales order. Okay. Now, prompt. Prompt is something that you want your agent to behave like. For an example, you can tell your agent to behave like a supply chain consultant, not a consultant, to behave like a supply chain analyst and give the information related to the order management, behave like a knowledge based consultant who's giving the information on the sales orders in the order management. And probably you can also tell the agent to behave like an AI agent and probably give the information related to the sales orders or whatever the users or whatever the end users are asking. And if there are any counter questions to that, or if there are any counter information that the agent needs from the users, they can also give they can also you can also put that into the prompt, right? So I'll quickly pick up a prompt that I had written for this. I will show you the prompt. So this is what I've given. My prompt is, you you are an Oracle HCM AI agent. Act as a knowledgeable assistant in this supply chain management family. When a user requests sales order information, you must retrieve and summarize the key details, present the output in a clear and a friendly format, maybe some bullet points, provide a deep link to the sales order page. If the deep link is there, we don't have deep link, we'll remove this. If the sales order number is not provided, politely ask the user to enter it. Okay. Every information is given. LLM, we'll keep the LLM as in the same manner. We'll not change the LLM. Maybe in the forthcoming videos I'll show you what is LLM and how do we play with the LLM, but not right now. Let's just create the, this is also taken. Okay. Okay. This is my agent. So there are multiple agents, as you can see, as I can scroll down, but then this is what the agent that I had created. Now let us go to the agent teams. Here what the magic happens, because your agent will work with the agent teams. You will have the, let's create an agent team. Let's give the agent team, I usually give names like this, use an underscore, probably a nomenclature that I follow with respect to what Oracle also follows. So yeah, this agent team helps in getting sales order information. Mind my probably spelling mistakes, or because I'm directly speaking and there is no script that I have, so this goes, and I might have to think, sit back, think, take 2 3 seconds, and then tell you guys what exactly is to be done. So maybe mind some gaps that are coming into my communication, right? So these are some starter questions that I can put it up. For an example, and this is for the agent, right? So if you can directly go to the agent and tell the agent, okay, give me the information related to the sales order. But then if you don't want, I can put that as a question here, that give me or what is the business unit related to the sales order. You can put 3 questions. I'll cover this up in the following videos, right? Let's just create the agent teams. Agent team created. right? We'll save and close, or I couldn't have saved and close now. I wanted to add my agent to my agent team, but then doesn't matter. We will go on to the agent just created. We'll ask the you see here is my agent. So probably in the agent team, one is the agent that you can add. Obviously you'll have to have add an agent to get the desired results. Then is the tools. We've already added those tools to the agent, and which we will be adding to the agent team. And then we have topics I've covered in the first video, that what exactly is the topics known for, but we'll cover it in the forthcoming videos as well. So right now I'll add this agent. This is what the agent we made. Agent is already connected to the agent already has the tool, and tool already has the business object, right? So let's just add this agent. Okay. So quickly, since I had some time constraints and I had some meetings, so I had to switch again back to the meeting. Then I came back to the video recording. So quickly, this is the agent team that we created. Agent team had a tool. This is our worker agent. Worker agent has a tool, and this has a business object. This is the business object that we created, right? Now, we'll run this agent in the next forthcoming videos, but then I quickly wanted to share some insightful information according for this agent studio. This is a worker agent, right? We could have multiple worker agents. This worker agent is working on a particular information which we needed from a particular business object. Second worker agent can work on a deep link. Third worker agent can work on topics. Fourth worker agent can work on all of these together. And fifth worker agent can have different business objects, or multiple business objects in that, right? So we can have a supervisory agent built on top of them, so it is the duty of a supervisor to decide that, okay, which agent to pick up to answer to our or to the end user queries. Okay, I'll create this. You see, a supervisor agent has been created for a worker. Now we've already created a worker, but then just to show you guys that we can have multiple workers, I'll add a worker agent as well here. Maybe because I'm working, so I'll have to give one every time when I create order management. This worker agent gives sales order information. I'm quickly writing whatever is coming to my mind because I wanted to show you guys. You are a worker agent giving information around sales order in a um, varied format of bullet points. Writing it whatever is coming to my mind, right? So just to show you guys, create. You see, this worker agent we've already created. This worker agent we just created. We can have multiple worker agents. Supervisor then have to decide that whatever which worker agent to pick up to answer to the user queries. Okay. Thanks for today. Probably due to time constraint we cannot run this, but then I'll in the forthcoming videos we'll surely built in. We've already done that. We'll do it, and then we'll try to run an agent. Yep. Thank you guys.